Yes, the wind is coming. Now we are in the hostel 17.
Ninth floor.
9th floor.
Yes.
And the wind is coming. It make you feel fresh, refreshed, and make you want to study more.
Oh yeah.
And get a PhD degree.
Or maybe it makes you want to sleep more comfortably.
Also, you will fail.
Yes.
And you need to spend 10 years to
Yes.
graduate.
Exactly. It's either of the two.
Okay.
You can go up.
Go up, okay.
Or we can go from that side. That would
Okay,
be
okay.
better.
Wow. Oh, it's a drying area.
Yeah.
What? Can I see the mushroom?
Yeah.
It's very modern. Wow, it's much better than Hostel 13.
Yes.
You should move in. Go.
And go up.
Oh, go up, okay. Now let's go to 10th floor. Oh, the view is fantastic.
Yes.
Free.
It's a lot of graffiti here.
Yeah.
It's saying hi to me becomes shit.
Okay.
We can mess up with the hostel controls.
Yes.
We can go more up.
Oh. Okay. Oh, the view is much better. I will take it.
Yes. Random pipes everywhere. See, there are cows.
Oh, hello, cows. You are here. And I think it's much better for them to stay there.
Yeah.
They can eat grass at any time.
Yes.
When did the campus move then? Since 2020? Maybe.
Yeah. COVID.
Or during COVID. Yeah, it's an issue. This is a solar panel.
Yeah.
Okay. What? But no, not full of the solar panel.
What?
They are not solar panel.
They are all solar panels.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So many.
Wow. Solar panel is the trend.
Yes.
Which, okay.
More solar panels.
Yeah, I will stop.
We are taking a mirror video now.
Again? Hi everyone.
Hi, we're in the mirror.
We are in the elevator of Hostel 17.
Yes. You can see it going down quite fast.
And elevator in this hostel is also more modern than others.
Yeah. Why is there a egg that is cut in square pieces? You can go to the coffee place if you want to.
Yeah, Domino?
No, Café Coffe Day.
Okay.
It's
Where?
we can take an auto. It's inside campus only.
Okay.
It's a bit far.
Okay.
Let's go in an auto.
Okay.
Yeah. Energy will. Energy.
Oh. Hey.
Oh my god.
This is
Crossing rules.
yeah.
Just cross.
Okay.
Google Pay है ना भैया? ID camera cash.
Huh? No, I have cash.
You have cash?
Yes.
Maybe 23 rupees.
Okay, I have. Now we are taking the auto rickshaw or tutu inside the campus.
Yes. Energy Sciences building
Yeah.
where there's a big cafe.
Yeah.
It's an Indian chain called Café Coffe Day.
Okay. Indian coffee day.
Café Coffe Day.
Oh, okay.
It's an Indian chain, so cafe chain.
Oh, coffee chain. Okay.
It's in all the cities.
Oh,
Bombay there are many. One is inside
well,
the
Red Bull.
Oh yay. What is this Red Bull thing? I don't know.
It's an energy drink.
Yeah, but why is there a stall?
You have to know.
It is new.
Yeah.
I think they're doing a competition.
Yeah.
Every person who drinks enough Red Bulls and sleeps wins.
Yeah.
There's another Red Bull.
Oh, another rainbow. Where is it? In the gate?
No, it's near the area.
Oh, okay. It's almost in the gate.
Yeah.
Almost approaching the gate. Oh, yeah. I like this part.
Yeah.
I usually go there. Yeah.
We can go there.
Okay, I want to try that one.
Another delivery service. It has good offers on food deliveries.
Okay.
And they also have a grocery delivery thing.
So, in addition to tomato.
Yeah, it's a competition to Zomato.
Okay. Right? Hey, can you help me? Because I need to take the cash.
So here we are at the Environmental Science and Engineering Department and also Department of Energy Science and Engineering. This 7-floor building holds both these departments. And here is Cesar taking out cash. Pay to the auto. 50, yeah. And you can give he has change.
Okay, thank you.
Now we'll get change of 27 rupees.
Oh, 37. Thank you, Danyaba. Oh, Danyaba.
Yes.
This is also a new building.
Yeah, this is also new.
What?
You can see the signboard for the coffee shop there.
Oh, okay.
Café Coffe Day
Okay,
to the left.
yeah. We can continue. I think lots of things change. Something new comes in.
Yeah, new things keep on getting built here.
This is life.
Yes.
Every day is changing.
Change is the only constant.
Yes. Life is changing.
Yeah.
Changing is also part of life.
Yes. This is the cafe.
Hey, this is the exchange students. Looks like from Germany.
Maybe.
Looks like very German.
Yeah, I think he might be. We can hold.
Yeah, I think we need to stop.
Will you start?
Yes, start it. Oh my god.
Again, can smell chocolate. No, the base is not. Brownie and ice cream is cold. Normal. Don't touch the wood.
Yeah.
Do you have night mode in your camera?
Wait a second.
You're making it full scene, right?